it's Juliet from WTI. Raise your hand if you've damaged your skin barrier. I always have problems with dry skin, and my friend who's an esthetician recommended I try this, and I'm super glad that I did. It is a super lightweight but good moisturizer. I do like it because when I have damaged my skin barrier and I put this on, my skin isn't burning like it is with some other thicker moisturizers. So that is a major bonus for me. A little bit of this goes a really long way, and my skin does feel nice and moisturized for hours after I wear this. So it does make my skin feel good, and it helps for those times that I have damaged my skin barrier with heavy retinol use. So if you're looking for a great, lightweight, affordable moisturizer, definitely give this a shot, and that is my point of view.